Hi kabayan! Dito pa rin tayo ngayon sa Santras here in Verona, Silang, Cavite. So this is Orabella. It has a lot area of 176 square meters and floor area of 147.23. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. Tara, check natin ang ating property. So before we enter mga kabahay, makikita nyo ang wide frontage ng ating property. So this is the carport area. As you can see, covered ito dahil sa ating balcony area. Ang flooring natin ay merong pebble type. Since this is a single detached property mga kabahay, meron tayong setback area around the property. So let's check. Check naman ang ating living area dito kay Orabella. So as you can see, upon entering, meron tayong space for the living area. Again, complete finish po ang turnover nito. And then on this side naman is the dining area. So sa dining area, it can fit up to 6 seaters. And then meron tayo dito access na sliding door papunta sa ating lanay area. Here at the ground floor, meron tayong 1 toilet and bath. This is the bedroom number 1 here at the ground floor. So as you can see, ito po ay converted into a family den. So pwede nyo po itong i-convert as room for your elders if you have one. So here at the staircase area, meron tayong wood na flooring. And then syempre meron tayo ditong window for additional lighting. And then meron tayong high ceiling para sa inyong chandelier. Bedroom number 1. So dito sa bedroom number 1, kasya dito ang single size bed and meron kang ample space. So meron kang vanity area and the built-in cabinets. Bedroom number 2, here at the second floor. So as you can see dito sa dress-up model, kasya dito ang single size bed. Meron kang study area or work area and of course the built-in cabinet. So here at the second floor ay meron tayong shared toilet and bath, complete fixtures upon turnover. This is the master's bedroom mga kabahay. So dito sa master's bedroom, as you can see, very spacious. Kasya dito ang double to queen size bed. And of course, meron tayong access papunta sa ating mini balcony. So sa master's bedroom ay meron tayong walk-in closet and syempre master's toilet and bath. Of course, dito sa ating second floor ay meron tayong family room and then may access ito papunta sa ating main balcony. If you're interested mga kabahay to view this property, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Bon Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching mga kabahay. Tripping na!